Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this little vacuum that could. This is actually a really unique vacuum. I've done a lot of cordless stick vacs before, but this one has a lot of neat tricks up its sleeve, and I wanted to go over a couple of those with you and what makes this one really, really great. You know, this is a 650 watt unit. It has 55 kPa worth of suction, is extremely lightweight, but it does have an actual charging base that you plug into the wall and actually can just set this on the floor and charge it up, and it shows you the indicator there. So this is one that you don't have to necessarily just hang on a wall, which is really nice. Most of them you have to screw a piece into the wall to hang, so that part is really nice that it does that. You also get several other attachments, including a corded attachment here for doing small hand work. You got a little crevice tool for cleaning in between couch cushions. They give you this brush tool that would be great for like getting like hair and things like that, or lint off your clothes and sucking it off with that. You also get an additional filter, and I will mention this filter is a really large size, which is really nice, and I'll show you how to replace that here in a second. It does have a nice sponged area, nice HEPA style filter there, so everything works well there, and they even give you a little cleaning tool for when you need to clean this out and get something that is stuck, although the bottom of this is actually designed in such a way to try to not get hair and stuff stuck in here because of how it is designed and cuts through the hair and so forth on the bottom. Now, this up here has a really neat feature. This is one of my favorite features about this particular vacuum, is this piece here. It is a corded piece, so it's not a just stick tube. It actually has a cord inside, and what that allows them to do is push on the back of this and actually bend this unit completely over. And why you would want to do that is, even if you're going to be getting underneath something like that, you can easily get clear underneath there without having to crawl clear down on the floor. So that is really cool that you can get completely 180 degrees down there, and when you get back up, locks back in place and you're ready to go. Now, turning this on, it has 3 separate modes: bare floor mode, carpeted mode, and a turbo mode. All 3 modes will run the brush, but even on this lower mode, I've got some insulation that fell out here. It's sucking that up. You can see it coming around in here. You have a second button that allows you to switch modes to carpet or turbo mode. That turbo mode is some maximum suction, and this has the green light, which will show you where the dust is and the dirt is on your floor, especially on a hard floor. So that green light is really cool. A few of them I've done have had that, and I really have grown to appreciate the green light. But even in shutting that down now, you can see all what is caught in this thing here. It's kind of a mess, because it not only just caught that is nasty what that is pulled out of the carpet as well, so it's working really well. You do have a quick release button here on the side that is the dust release, so if you don't want to touch that, simply hold it up and push this down and it will release that dust cup down into there. But every so often you're going to have to change the filter, and they give you the ability to do that by just twisting this to remove this entire cup. Your filter is housed right up in here, so you can pop that out, clean it, put the replacement one in, then by simply installing this back like this and locking it back into place, you're ready to go. This battery does detach, so if you did ever have to get this detached and removed in the future to get a replacement battery, this has the ability to do that. So a lot of really neat features, including the ability to disconnect this piece here using all of your tools. This has a lot of versatility. Loving the bent arm function. This would work great in pretty much anyone's home.